Phongolo, who was recently accused of getting her body done, was caught on video showing off her now bigger behind, doing what aspired to be twerking. Take a look.
Stop it. Ernie, wait, don't let us go there.
No, we are late on this one, but better late than never, right? Uthando Nesthembu season 8 trailer is out, and it showcases wife number 5 that Mzamseloko has been fighting for since. Okay, and word on the street is that she's only 25 years old. And at this point, it is clear as day that Ubaba Mseloko has his type. Okay, because from wife number 1 to number 5, there are clear similarities. And now he must be a happy man because he finally has what he has been longing for, which is his number 5, who's little K.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Abantwana bama 2000 bonke akabafuni. Abantwana ba millennium. Akabafuni bonke ama 2000.
And easy.
MacG once said something about the Eat Girls and specifically said this about Minnie Dlamini.
Shocked. I remember there was a time she was the face of like a big alcohol brand, right? And they weren't renewing her contract. So she slept with like the brand manager or one of the top guys. So they renewed her contract for the
you see, you had files, Mossy.
You had files.
You had files.
Yeah.
Well, apparently also, allegedly, is that she was cheating with her the ex-husband when she was with Kune. Because that's another story I heard.
Oh, when she was with Kune,
yes.
the richer nigga was
the
Mr. Jones.
Yes, Mr. Jones. That's
Jesus
another...
Christ.
Gee,
yeah.
it's wild.
And one of the DSTV bosses, you see now, like, it kind of goes in the whole story. Like, she also was cheating when she was cheating on the husband. She was with a DSTV boss.
Oh my God.
They're saying apparently that's how she got, her show,
Yes, and that's my thing, bro. Like, I don't hate it girls. Like, listen, we're all hustling. However you get your money, it's up to you, it's your body. You can do whatever you want, right? But don't sell us a dream, a lie.
Put this shit on merit.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like, there's no difference between Minnie and Zoto Abantu. They're both selling.
Now Musakaula is telling us how it came to be that Boity Thulo was recently in LA for the Lion King with Lebo, the multi-divorcee. And now he took Minnie Dlamini for Mufasa. So let's go through what Musa wrote. He wrote, OMG, remember on the 27th of May 2024 when Boity Thulo accidentally bumped into Kim Kardashian at the Lion King 30th anniversary. And she had posted that she's there as media. Media my food because she had gained access or entrance to the anniversary by being Lebo M's date. Stay with me, I'll explain. Hello my lovies.
Hello my lovelies.
Is also at the premiere of Mufasa the Lion King because she's also Lebo M's date. Exhibit B picture below would explain why Lebo M is comfortable enough holding Hello my lovies like that. He continued to say the only difference between Boity and Hello My Lovies is Boity didn't post pictures directly linking her to the multi-divorcee Lebo M, and rather posed as media. Meanwhile, Hello My Lovies posted with no care in the world. Otherwise, how would the two unknowns gain access to a high exclusive premiere when both their talents aren't big enough to give them access to such exclusive spaces?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Do share your thoughts in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.